Today we are going to try another mindfulness exercise that focuses on our breathing. This exercise will be a little different than any others we've done, and it may feel uncomfortable or strange at first. However, I encourage you to give it a try. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and push away all other thoughts. Allow the thoughts to float away, leaving space in your mind for our activity today. Let's focus only on our breathing. Now, as you sit with your eyes closed, gently take one finger and press down on your left nostril. This will allow you to breathe only through the right nostril. Take in a deep breath, counting to 3. Now blow it out slowly, counting to 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release your left nostril and press your right nostril. Inhale for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch again. Inhale and exhale. Switch to the other nostril. Inhale for 3 seconds. Exhale for 5 seconds. And again. Inhale for 3. Exhale for 5. Switch again. Once more. Inhale for 3. Exhale for 5. Continue this breathing pattern on your own. As you breathe, pay attention to your body. How are you feeling? What sensations do you experience in your body as you breathe? Turn your focus inward as you continue to swap nostrils and breathe. Keeping your eyes closed, release your nostril and breathe normally through your nose. Pay attention to your body and the sensations that you feel. Now, slowly open your eyes.